It's so heavy. How can we open it? We open. Open. Surprise! Hey! So cool! Let's open them, Cuquin. Choose one. No, all of them. Not all, Cuquin. Just one by one. Number 2, the pink egg. The green egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! A spider.
Itsy bitsy spider, he never had to talk. All he had to do was pin his web about. He worked, 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 and when the time was right, the itsy bitsy spider, he cries, he cries, he cries. The itsy bitsy spider, the sun is on his side.
Yay! Mama! Number 3, the orange egg. Oh! Ghost? Huh? 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 Not triangle, circle. Ha! Ooh. Hmm? Oh. Oh. Yeah. Giant red rabbit. Bye-bye, Red Rabbit. More. Yellow triangle. Huh? Not a triangle? Oh. Triangle, yeah! Whoa! Yay! Giant yellow rabbit! Hey! Bye-bye, yellow rabbit! More! Blue square. No. Hey! Oh! Huh? Giant blue rabbit! Boo! Bye-bye, blue rabbit! More! Huh? Orange pentagon! Whoa! Giant orange rabbit! Oh! Hey! Ha! Bye-bye, orange rabbit. Red rabbit. Yellow rabbit. Blue rabbit. Orange rabbit. Yeah!